Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread using a bread maker. First, gather all your ingredients, ensuring they are at room temperature for best results. You will typically need about 3 cups of bread flour, 1 and 1/4 cups of water, 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Make sure your bread maker pan is clean and the kneading paddle is securely in place. This preparation ensures a smooth baking process from start to finish. The order of adding ingredients is crucial for successful bread. Always start with your liquids at the bottom of the pan, followed by the dry ingredients like flour, sugar, and salt. Create a small indentation in the flour to add your yeast, keeping it separate from the liquid and salt initially. This prevents premature activation. Finally, select your bread maker's basic white bread program and choose your preferred crust setting, such as light, medium, or dark. Once you've added your ingredients and selected the program, your bread maker takes over. It will begin by mixing and kneading the dough for about 20 to 30 minutes, developing the gluten. Following this, the machine will go through several proofing cycles, allowing the dough to rise beautifully. Finally, it will bake your loaf for approximately 1 hour, filling your kitchen with a wonderful aroma. The entire process typically takes around 3 to 4 hours. After the baking cycle finishes, carefully remove the hot bread pan from the machine using oven mitts. Invert the pan onto a wire rack to release your freshly baked loaf. It's essential to let the bread cool completely for at least 1 hour before slicing. This allows the internal structure to set, preventing a gummy texture. Enjoy your delicious homemade bread and store any leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.